Hey guys, how are ya? My wife just asked me to do a little project. We are going to her granddaughter's 3-year-old birthday party. She made up some signs for the food, and these are what they look like. She stamped them and everything, made them completely on her brother Scan and Cut 2. I am going to make a little block to hold them up for the party, put them by the food. Just going to make it out of a scrap 2x4. Figure I can put a small slot all the way through, about a 5-degree angle, and that should make the card stand up. We will try it out, see how it turns. Okay, so I just ran this 2x4 with the 5-degree angle through my table saw all the way down. Now I'm going to cut it up into 3.5-inch pieces on the chop saw. I decided to make them 3 inches. That way I don't have to rip another board. So right there is about 3 inches. I'm going to put a little stop block in place. Just putting that little block there, that way I can cut 3-inch pieces. There's one. Two, and I'll continue cutting. All right, so that's just that simple 2x4 cut. So now guys, what I'm going to do is just, I've got these nice little blocks. And all I'm going to do is take this sandpaper and put it through there. Just go back and forth a little bit to clean out the hole, the groove, and it's done. Next one, same thing, just put the sandpaper in there. Done. Done. I basically just hit the corners just a little bit with the sander, and all the corners, and pretty much that's it. And those will hold the cards. And here we go. The nice little blocks are done. See, I just hit the edges a little bit with the sander. Yeah, it really turned out nice. Little quick project. Didn't take very long to whip out anyways. So we'll take these to the party tomorrow and set them out on the table for the food that they are making. My wife really did an awesome job on these little food cards. I wouldn't say they're little, there's the size of my hand. But really good job. That's all, guys. There they are, a pretty simple little project with a scrap piece of 2x4. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.